Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Facebook login problem. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem, the first being internet connection. So ensure that you have a stable internet connection, and in order to do so, simply switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi, and that could just verify it. If you have any VPN turned on, make sure that is going to be turned off, and also try to enable and disable airplane mode on and off in order to just give it that quick refresh. The second thing you want to do is because of a password, so simply go ahead and reset your password. In order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is simply go ahead and the second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and switch your password or reset it. And in order to do it, simply go ahead and open any Safari or any browser that you prefer using, and simply go ahead and search for facebook.com/hacked. Just like that, and click on search. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here. All you need to do is click on the next button right over here, and then you can simply go ahead and follow the prompts on the screen. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.